Okay, well here's a little engine that's never been seen running on the channel. This little Suffolk Iron Foundry engine came with the Aspera engine and the Briggs & Stratton Model I. It's a really early Suffolk. It's got none of the stampings in the cowling for the bolts. Some of the later ones had those, and then obviously they changed the cowling altogether after that. But this is a pretty early one. It's still got its tag on the side of it as well, so it's a nice complete little engine. I think the fuel tank has a hole in it though, and that's why it doesn't have a tap on it or anything, so a little reminder to myself not to put anything in it. So we've just got it running off of the same fuel tank we've been using for all the other engines. And let's see what happens. It does have a spark, amazingly enough. I'm pretty sure I have run this engine, but again, no video of it, so we'll see. Let's give it some choke. It's got fuel in the carb. It is stone cold. Hasn't got much compression. With no choke for a first pull. Doesn't seem to want to do much at all. Don't see if you're getting anything out of this one. Not even so much as a little tiny splutter. Okay, might have to do some work to it. Okay, we just swapped the carb over with the one that was on the junk pile Suffolk, because we've got a lovely spark, and we have got what should be enough compression for it to at least fire a couple of times. So obviously we're not getting any fuel through that carburetor, I don't think. So let's try this one off of the scrap Suffolk now. Still not even had a fire out of it yet, so still nice and cold. Aha. That sounds a little bit more promising.